Hi everyone, welcome back to my mouse channel. Today we are going to make this amazing cake. Take a mixing bowl, add half cup of milk and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix them well. Now add half tablespoon of curd. Add half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Add 3 eggs which has a room temperature. Now just give it a mix. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of milk powder and also add half cup of cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then also add 1/3 tablespoon of baking soda. Now stir them. Mix it gently and make a batter. Now the batter is ready for making a cake. Pour the batter in a greased mold. You can add which inch or which mold you want and tap it 2-3 times. Bake it for preheated oven at 130 degrees Celsius in 40 to 45 minutes. Now let's make the chocolate topper and ganache. Now cut some dark chocolate into small pieces. Now pick the big pieces out of the mixing bowl. It is 150 grams of dark compound chocolate and let's also add 70 grams of whipped cream on it and also melt them both. Now let's use double boiler method to melt the big chocolates to make the topper. We are going to use the mold which we want to add on top of the cake. After melting the chocolate, add the chocolate in the mold you want or we want. Then we are gonna put it in the freezer for 1 or 2 minutes. Now the chocolate ganache which we have already made, we're gonna take it to decorate the cake. Now every topper is ready. Now let's mold it out. Now we took the mold out of the fridge after 2 minutes. You should also make extra 2 or 3 or the main ones will break so that you can use the other ones. Making a chocolate topper, it will always break when you take it out like that. It happens every time you make a chocolate topper. See that, you can see it is breaking. Carefully mold it out or it will break too much. After 45 minutes, the cake is baked well. After taking it out of the OTG, we are gonna mold it out and cut it into 3 equal pieces to start the decoration. And you should always obviously cool it down before doing anything. We cut it into 3 equal pieces. You can cut it into 4 if you want. Now let's start the icing. The ganache we have already made with whipped cream. That one it is already cooled down, so we are using it for decoration. Now take a slice of cake, add sugar syrup, then we are gonna add the chocolate ganache. We are going to do the same for the other two with the chocolate ganache. Now the icing is finished. Now let's keep it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, let's start the cake icing and decoration. We are decorating the cake with whipped cream frosting. You guys can also do with the chocolate ganache if you want. Now we are gonna decorate the sides with the chocolate we like. You guys can also do with the chocolate you guys like. Now the chocolate is finished. Now we're gonna decorate the other sides with choco chips and also on the top. You can see how beautiful it looks. You guys can do however you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.